Hi, this is Felipe Miranda.
And this is Frank Procopio with the Miranda and Procopio Group at Royal Shell Real Estate. And today we're at our newest listing, the East Trail Plaza here in Naples, Florida. And we're going to show you what a great investment opportunity this is for you.
Spanning across a spacious 1.05 acre lot, this property features 5 separate buildings. Let's start with Building 1, a 2,980 square foot space that was previously a bar. Next up is Building 2, an 861 square foot space that was previously an office for a plumbing company. Building 3 is a 1,672 square foot space. It has a new roof and has been gutted to the studs, but the plumbing infrastructure is still in place. It was previously a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-family home, but it's now zoned C4 for commercial use. Building 4 is a 660 square foot space. It has a new roof, new electrical, and exterior stucco. It was previously a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-family home and is also now zoned C4 for commercial use. Lastly, Building 5 is a 2,560 square foot duplex zoned RSF4 for residential use. And let's not forget about the incredible location. Situated off Route 41 between Collier Boulevard and Rattlesnake Hammock, this plaza is centrally located to Lely, Naples Manor, Artesia, Eagle Creek, Treviso Bay, Isles of Collier Preserve, and several other affluent communities nearby. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own prime commercial real estate right here in Naples, Florida. Once again, please call us. I'm Felipe Miranda, the Procopio Group, 239-994-9807. I love hearing from you.